Welcome, and let us solve this nice algebra equation. So we have negative 5 raised to power x is equal to 5. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite negative 5 as a product of two numbers. So you're going to have negative 1 times 5. So we have split negative 5 into negative 1 and 5, and that is 10 raised to power x. The next thing is to we intend to introduce log to this equation, but there is no log for a negative number. So we're going to rewrite negative 1 as a complex number. Remember, the root of negative 1 is what we call I. So negative 1 on its own, if you square both sides, negative 1 is the same as I squared. So let us write negative 1 as I squared. So we're going to have I squared times 5 raised to power x is equal to 5. So now we can introduce a log. So we say log of I squared times 5 raised to power x is equal to log of 5. Now from here we can use the third law of logarithms that says that if you have a number log of a raised to power n is the same as pre-multiplying by the number n. So let us apply that in our equation. So we want to have x log of I squared times 5 is equal to the log of 5. So now we can divide both sides by this particular expression because what we're interested in is x. So let us divide both sides by the log of I squared times 5. We do that both sides like that. So that and that will cancel so that we're left with x is equal to log of 5 over the log of I squared times 5. So we can still simplify this. We can use the first law of logarithms that says that the log of a times b is the same as log of a plus the log of b. So let us apply that here. So we're going to have x is equal to the log of 5 over log of I squared plus the log of 5. So again, we can still simplify this further using the third law that says that the log of a power n is the same as n times the log of a. So if we apply that, then x is going to be equal to log of 5 over 2 log of I plus the log of 5. And that is the value of x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.